Special report from Utah, 820 AM, WBAP.
We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Hunt County, Hopkins County, Delta County, and for Collin County until 10 p.m. Collin County until 10 p.m. A severe thunderstorm line was located from near Manchester to 6 miles west of Deeport to 7 miles west of Cooper to near Van Alstyne, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. These storms form a line south of the Red River Valley, moving into northeast and north central Texas. The storms may produce 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and half-inch to penny-sized hail. Once again, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for Hunt County, Hopkins County, Delta County, and for Collin County until 10 p.m. A severe thunderstorm with up to 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and up to penny-sized hail is moving slowly to the south at about 30 to 40 miles per hour. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.